Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss question number 11 and 12 of the graded assignment sheet of week 1. So the question number 11 says that let a relation R be defined. R is equal to A comma B where both A and B live in the same city. Pick out the correct statement. Now let's use some of the example and then we will be able to find out whether which of the following options will be correct. So let's first of all let's find out whether R is symmetric or not. So for this let us consider we have taken A element and B element and we have assumed that A and B they both live in the same city. A and B, think of you and your friend, they both are living in the same city and now the question is twisted or the set has been changed and it is asked that B and A also live in the same city or not. So definitely if you and your friend lives in the same city, your friend and you will be also living in the same city itself. Hence, if A comma B will be the element of R, definitely B comma A will be also the element of R. Hence, from this you can conclude that this relation is going to be symmetric. So the first one is correct option. Let's go to the second option. It is saying that R is antisymmetric. Now let me tell you what antisymmetric means. If you consider A comma B, which will be the element of R, and B comma A, if it is the element of R, it implies that your A is equal to B. Just imagine you and your friend lives in the same city. Your friend and you live in the same city. Will it conclude that your friend and you are equal? No, definitely this option will not be there. Hence, R is not antisymmetric, so this option is incorrect. Moving to the third option, R is transitive. What transitive means? I have considered A comma B and this is the element of R and I have considered another one that is B comma C and this also belongs to R. From these both of the relation, I can conclude that my A comma C is also the element of R. Now just think of you, your friend and your another friend. Now if you and one of your friend A are together in the same city, your friend and other friend is in the same city, it will be like you and your second friend will be also in the same city. So definitely R is transitive and that's why option C is also correct. Next is reflexive. What does reflexive means? We have to consider the same element twice. Now if I will be considering that A comma A will be the element of R. Fine. Now consider you and you will be living in the same city. Definitely wherever you will be there, you and you will be in the same city. So definitely R will be reflexive. Hence, the correct options are A, C and D. Moving now, let us discuss question number 12. Suppose A has some elements. We have to find out that how many subset of two elements are possible. For doing this particular question, we have a formula where you will be able to find out the number of subset with a given cardinality. Now, what does the cardinality of set means? The number of elements in a set. Now, suppose we have a set which contains n elements. And we want to find out the subset with k elements. Then we have a formula that NCK, where it can be simplified and it can be written as n factorial by k factorial into n minus k factorial. What does n represent? N represent the number of elements in initial set it has. K is the number of elements in the subset that we are going to find out. So we already have the value of n here. The value of n is 5. Let's put down this value and then cardinality k or the value k is equal to 2. This becomes 2 factorial by 3 factorial, and if you simplify this, this is going to give you 10. So the number of subsets of two elements that will be possible in this particular A set will be equal to 10. I hope I have made these questions very clear. If still any doubt persists, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can also contact me on my mail ID which is given in the description box. And also you can follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much, and we will be meeting in the next video. If you get this different answer, you can also comment below. I'll definitely look into it. Thank you and bye bye everyone.